Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Clouds have moved into North Alabama, and that's going to help keep things pretty mild overnight. Case in point here, we are all in the 60s on the board. 62 in Huntsville and Decatur, 61 in Muscle Shoals, Scottsboro. We're still holding on to the upper 60s. Last I checked just a few minutes ago, we were still at 70. So that's a new update. The Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network shows that the clouds that are in place, I don't have the satellite layer turned on, but they're not bringing us any rain. And they won't tomorrow. It's going to stay dry for Saturday. And this is what we've got here as we go through the rest of tonight, as we get into tomorrow. We're talking temperatures in the upper 70s yet again. Filtered sunshine through those high clouds. Wind out of the south 10 to 20 miles per hour. So that wind is going to help keep temperatures up even with the clouds starting to kind of thicken up tomorrow. And I told you that tomorrow it does stay dry. It's going to be the kind of weather where you want to get outside, maybe get some stuff done in the yard. Now, for the most part, our grass isn't really growing yet enough to really need to be cut, but if you're trying to get the garden ready, that's fine. You just don't want to do any planting yet. If you've lived in North Alabama for any length of time, you know that we normally tell you around tax day is when you need to start thinking about putting stuff in the ground, because anything before that, you're looking at that potential for a freeze. March 17th is the average last hard freeze, so that would be 28 degrees or colder. April 1st is the just average last freeze, so 28 degrees to 32 degrees. The latest freeze that we've got on record for you, May 7th, so just a testament to needing to wait a little bit before you really start to get going on putting stuff in the ground for that garden. Here's the forecast tracker as we go through the rest of tonight into tomorrow. Look at all the cloud cover that we've got. Doesn't change by tomorrow morning. Does not change through the rest of the afternoon. A few breaks here and there with the cloud cover, but you will see some sun filtering through. As we get to midnight, though, tomorrow night, this data source still trying to key in on maybe a couple of showers here, especially to our northwest. So west of I-65, closer to the Tennessee-Alabama line. By Sunday morning, there are thunderstorms just off to the northwest, but that's where it's going to stay. Look at the wider view and see the rain here just kind of parked over West Tennessee, Kentucky, Arkansas. There's a severe threat in the same area Sunday. By Monday, that risk for severe weather heads our way in the form of this strong cold front. By the time we get into Monday afternoon, we can see some showers ahead of the main cold front, but that's where the heaviest rain is going to be. That front does move through during the afternoon into the evening. By 10 o'clock, we're still holding on to some showers. And here's the outlined risk area from the Storm Prediction Center. It includes all of North Alabama. It's a level 2 out of 5 on that risk scale. So it's a slight risk, and I expect that to still be the case. I don't expect us to get removed from that risk, and this is what we're expecting from that risk for strong storms. Damaging winds 60+ miles per hour. Also the potential for tornadoes embedded within that line of storms. That's going to be a threat that we'll monitor for you, in addition to the heavy rain. 7-day forecast shows that cold front means business. We are down into the mid-50s on Tuesday, and we still got showers in the forecast through the rest of the week.